Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I always like to keep my pantry stocked with different things that I know on a busy weeknight I can go in there and have plenty of things to choose from. So I love these GOYA chickpeas for that purpose because they're super versatile. You can use these in so many different things. So I love the flavor on these. I think they're a really nice quality and they make life really simple because they are already prepared in the can. All you need to do is drain them and use them in your recipes. So these are perfect to make your homemade hummus. They're also delicious in soups. I love to toast them up in a little bit of oil and seasonings and just snack on them like that or top a salad with them. So chickpeas are awesome because they have a nice amount of protein, they have some fiber, and they're just really tasty. So if you're looking for some quality chickpeas to keep in your pantry to grab when you need to make a quick meal, then I would definitely check out these from GOYA. I really like them, and that is my point of view.